This presentation about robotics in manufacturing is brought to you by Abdulrahim Iqbal, Scott Delaney, and Kyle Delaney. Advanced robotics have affected the manufacturing industry greatly. The industry has had a gradual turnover from complete manual labor to advanced robots, replacing the typical human labor. Robots are learning many human capabilities such as sensing, dexterity, memory, and trainability. As a result, robots are replacing humans and their usual manufacturing roles like picking, packaging, testing, or inspecting products. The next question that arises is the likely direction of this field's future. What economic, industrial, and social impacts has it given birth to? What impacts does it hold in the next 5 to 10 years? This presentation summarizes the state of the art of the advanced robotics manufacturing industry and the impacts it will have in the near future. One of the very remarkable aspects of robots in manufacturing is collaboration. The state of the art in this field is cobots. These are robots that collaborate with humans working along them to produce efficient results. Robots can collaborate and learn from humans to perfect the task they are working on. Another aspect of the state of art is modeling nature. Cobots are bots that collaborate with humans and they get better. And as for modeling nature, these robots can get even better and perfected in their way to the humans is their rotation and six-axis movement. The future of the field holds many different aspects. There is 3D vision, auto collaboration, and entire factory collaboration.
Another application of robotics in manufacturing is the use of robots in lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is defined as a systematic method that minimizes the amount of waste during production without sacrificing the productivity. The lean concept is relatively new as it was first introduced in Japan shortly after the Second World War. The concept builds on a 5-step foundation, often dubbed the 5 S's, in which the steps are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. These steps pave the way for the quality, delivery times, and cost of a product as shown by the lean manufacturing house to the right. When done correctly, the lean manufacturing process satisfies a customer's needs while using less resources. When it comes to the use of robots in lean manufacturing, many manufacturers are adopting their versatility and ability to operate in a more systematic manner. Robots, being relatively new to the manufacturing world, produce both advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of robots in lean are as shown, which all play a part in improving the manufacturing process. The disadvantages are also shown, with the biggest being a reduction in human employment. Although robots can carry some disadvantages to lean manufacturing, the advantages that they provide heavily outweigh the disadvantages. The future of robots in lean manufacturing is very promising. As technology improves, so will the different processes in manufacturing. One of the more promising applications is coordinated motion, which makes use of multiple robots and communications between them to coordinate a certain task. These robots in coordinated motion are able to operate in a desired formation and avoid any potential collisions. Coordinated motion, when more practiced, will provide a better lean manufacturing process.
Alright, so currently the only thing that's holding us back from making major jumps in robotics is our AI and programming. Currently our machines can't actually function without these programs. So right now robots in factories are either controlled using code or machine intelligence. I'll explain more on that later. So there's 2 types of AIs. So the 2 AIs, the first is being machine intelligence, and the other one is natural intelligence. So machine intelligence uses a database full of information or photos that is used to identify what the sensors are looking at. Because of this stored information, it can be used to identify defects that even human eyes can't detect. It is also used for various situations with welding and soldering. Also, if the database is given enough information, it can begin to mimic human intelligence. However, this is currently the best AI technology available and still needs more development to achieve perfection. So as for natural intelligence, this is essentially human intelligence for software. So currently, there's nothing like it on the market. There's no software that's available, and in order for once this technology is developed, it'll be able to run whole factories, and from the machines to balancing books to manufacturing and shipping and delivery. Um, So currently, on the state of the art in robotic manufacturing, we are using in most factories we're using ARM bots. Yeah, they either are programmed with basic code or with machine intelligence. There's also CNC machines, which are programmed with G codes or other forms of programming. Additionally, some manufacturers use the intelligent AIs, like I said, for quality control and a list of other small list of other actions. All right, so the future of robotics and manufacturing. So the future is for robotics and manufacturing is very hard to tell, especially 5, 10 years down the road. As, like I said, the major thing that's holding us back is AI technology. So what the group determined, the future would look like for robotics manufacturing would be multi-arm robots that can work on parts without moving from place to place in a factory, keeping parts stationary and reducing time between delivery. Uh, AI should also be able to assist further in nanotechnology, as it'll be able to do finer detail, and as well as developing biomedical apparatuses, as these need to be precisionally made. Additionally, AI, like I said, should be able to run factories without human interaction, and that's basically all that AI can do for us. Machines have to become better, and AI needs to become better, programming needs to become better in order for this to move forward. But the major thing is AI performance. So we would like to thank you for your time, and have a nice day.